Hello everyone. Welcome to Nexa Fix Tech. Getting the "no stream available" error on Kodi? Don't worry, this usually doesn't mean Kodi is broken. In this video, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix this issue in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Open a website or another streaming app to confirm everything is working properly. Step 2. Update your add-on. An outdated add-on is one of the most common reasons for this error. Go to Addons right pointing arrow My Addons right pointing arrow. Select the add-on right pointing arrow update. Step 3. Clear Kodi cache. Too much cached data can cause streaming issues. Step 4. Check the content source. Sometimes the movie or TV show simply doesn't have working sources anymore. Try a different title, a newer release, another Kodi add-on. Step 5. Enable Debrid services. If you use Real-Debrid, make sure your account is active and still authorized in your add-on settings. If the authorization has expired, reauthorize your account and try again. Step 6. Update Kodi. Running an older version of Kodi can also cause compatibility issues. Install the latest stable version and restart the app. Step 7. Reinstall the add-on. If nothing else works, uninstall the problematic add-on and install it again from a trusted repository. This often fixes corrupted add-on files. That's it. One of these methods should fix the "no stream available" error on Kodi. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.